Welcome back to another section. In this section, we will continue our last topic, that is transformation from assertive to imperative sentence. So in this section, we will discuss about transformation from assertive to imperative, and there are 6 rules, and first 6 we have first 3 we have discussed in our previous section. So let's check the 4th rule. If the assertive sentence consists of a subject other than you and there is no auxiliary verb, then to turn it into an imperative sentence, use object form of pronoun if subject is pronoun and start with the sentence with let. So we have the another rule, and we have to listen, we have to understand certain points. That is, if the assertive sentence consists of a subject other than you, if the subject is not you and there is no auxiliary verb, we have to use let, the word let, to get imperative form. So with the example we can discuss it. We bake cookies. In this sentence we can see the subject is we, not you. We bake cookies. So in order to get imperative, we have to use the word let, and we change we into us. Let us bake cookies. So first we have to add let if the sentence, or if the subject is not you, we have to add let. Then we have a small change in we becomes us. Let us bake cookies. So now we have the 5th rule. If the assertive sentence consists of pronoun as it is subject and an auxiliary verb along with a negative word not, then in order to make it imperative, use object form of pronoun and start with the sentence let and place not after the subject. So this is the rule, and we can discuss it with an example. We do not do it. So we have to add, first of all we have to add let. So let. Then we have to add subject, let him. Then the word not, let him not do it. We do not do it, change it into let him not do it. So we have to add let, then pronoun, then not, and other things. So the 6th rule, if the assertive sentence consists of a noun as a subject and auxiliary verb and also negative word not, then to make it imperative, start the sentence with let not. So if the assertive sentence consists of a noun as a subject and auxiliary verb and also negative word not, then to make it imperative, start with the sentence let not. So the assertive sentence is in positive mood, we have to start it let not. So just let us look at an example. He does not dance to that song. He does not dance to that song. And it will change like this. Let him not dance to that song. Let him not dance to that song. So these are the 6 rules, and in this section we have discussed the last 3 rules of transformation.